Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best kids lamps that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the mind-glowing moon lamp. The mind-glowing moon lamp will have any kid feeling like they're at their own personal campsite, looking up at a full moon. Or for stargazers, like their bedroom just became their own space observatory. Not only is this unique lamp beautiful and inviting, it also does its job perfectly. It provides just the right amount of light for any kid who's a little scared of the dark or loves a bedtime reading session. It has adjustable brightness and colors by remote or touch control, up to 20 hours of battery life, and is available in 4 different sizes. Give your child the most restful night's sleep with this peaceful moon lamp. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Yarra Decor bedside lamp. At the end of the day, not everyone wants to sacrifice their home's unique style just because they have kids. The 15.5-inch Yarra Decor bedside lamp is a nice kid-friendly option that'll make parents pretty happy too. It'll brighten up any space with its LED bulb, easy-to-use touch controls and wood base, and 3 dimmer settings. It even has 2 USB charging ports for charging devices while your child sleeps. This effortless table lamp is a reminder that sometimes practical and simple is best. At number 3, we have the Hatchrest Baby Sound Machine Night Light. We may have just found you the perfect baby shower gift, or the ideal lamp for a child, of any age, that just needs a little help getting a good night's sleep. The Hatchrest Baby Sound Machine Night Light is sleek, it's modern, and there's practically nothing it can't do. While the Hatchrest lamp is at a slightly higher price point than some of the other kids' lamps on the market, that's just because it's so much more than a source of light. This lamp has customizable display options, including a full spectrum of nightlight colors. It also has a built-in sound machine, which includes 16 sleep sounds and lullabies. At number 2, we have the Mooyran Star Projector Galaxy Nightlight. The Mooyran Star Projector Galaxy Nightlight acts as a projector, turning any kid's ceiling or walls into outer space. The lamp itself is an adorable astronaut too, and comes in 3 different color schemes. The astronaut's helmet can be angled and projects a starry nebula in whichever direction the child chooses. It also comes with an easy-to-use remote with dimmer and timer options. Did we mention that there are multiple nebula scenes available too? Whether you're looking for the ideal gift for your kid or a loved one, or you still have some childlike wonder in yourself and want to spice up your home, this lamp may be the perfect choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the TW Lighting Daisy Ivy LED Table Lamp. Energy-saving lamps are great for a number of reasons. Whether you're looking to help out the planet, save on your electricity bill, or both, LED lamps are the way to go. They're also helpful for kids who like to leave a light on at night. Nowadays, you wouldn't even know that a lamp is energy-saving. The TW Lighting Daisy Ivy LED Table Lamp is a prime example of this. No light bulb necessary, this adorable lamp has everything built right into it. It has a 3-level touch control dimmer on the top and is run by a 12-volt power supply. It also has a USB port in the back for charging devices. The lamp can be purchased with different shade colors as well. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.